I'm standing on level ground. Ow! I am Granny Annie's farm. This is the backyard where, yeah, the dog's yard. They've got another little drier area around to the side. But I am standing at the back of the house, against the back of the house on level ground. And as you can see, it's kind of down in literally a pond. We've had some rains. I'll do better in a minute. Can you see the water flowing? Yep. This is the water flowing down the hill all the way up against the back of the house. Everything's flowed around. We're going to walk up the hill if we can. This is the ground going up. Whoa! All that ground water's pushing up out of the ground all the way up. So that's the underground springs. It's like the river literally pushing up out of the ground. Bunny, come on, sweetie, move. I stick it in the... Okay, Bunny, hold me, help me. Thank you, Bunny. Sorry for making you seasick. Okay, it still continues to go on up. I don't know if you can see through here or not. Get through the fence. It continues to go uphill for a while. And here we're going to look. Hey, Bunny. I'm at the back of this fenced in backyard. Oh, got my hair stuck. Okay. We're definitely looking way downhill. When this house was built, they just scooped out the side of the hill like a pond and set the house in. And now the back of the house is sunk. The water just freely comes in. Maybe I better get out in the light better. And when it rains heavy like this, or even moderate anymore, starting right about here, the water's coming up out of the ground in little springs and just flows all the way down to the back of the house and just comes on in. And then I have to, don't know if I can go down this way or not. I'm going to have to go down a different way. I'm going to slide. I have to pause this. Excuse me just a moment while I try to get down this landslide of a hill. So you see the spring running right there? I hope this picks it up. Now to get back in the house, I'm going out in the backyard. I'm sinking, and I'm sticking, and now to open the door to get back in the house, this is what happens. Yes, this used to be my dining room. Somebody must have been really drunk when they built this house like this. Thank you, smile, and have a great day.